So whenever you want to edit or update your website, you will need to log into the WordPress admin dashboard. So it is when you're logged into your dashboard that you'll be able to do things like adding new pages, editing your pages, creating blog posts, and designing your website, customizing your website, and whatever thing that you will like to accomplish. So in this lesson, I am going to show you how to log into your WordPress dashboard and walk you through your WordPress admin interface so you can be familiar with some of the options. So first and foremostly, to log into your WordPress dashboard, you need to enter your domain on your browser. For instance, this is the this is the this is the website we created in the previous tutorial, and the domain is select.kudistack.com. So once you enter that domain on the browser, add the forward slash, type WP hyphen admin. So once you type this on your browser, it will take you to the WordPress login page, which will look like this. So here you're required to enter your username or email address you used during the WordPress installation process. So you're going to enter that username or the email address you use, and then the password. So once you're done with that, click login. And if your login credentials are correct, it's going to log into your dashboard. And when you're logged into your website dashboard, you will see an interface that looks like this. With this message, welcome to WordPress. And it's going to show you the version of WordPress that is currently installed on your website. Also, you're going to see the toolbar here. You'll see your name or email address here. And you also see your WordPress admin menu. So on this menu, you see the dashboard options. You see post, where you can add a new post, see all posts that are you've already created, set categories and tags. You can also see all the media in your media library or add new media. You can see the pages and add new pages, comments. You can see appearance. It is from appearance that you can add a theme or change the current theme. You can see the available plugins or add a new plugin. You can see users or add users, all the tools. You can see settings from here, and then this is the built-in caching plugin that is installed with your WordPress. So we are going to be talking about this in subsequent lessons. But for now, this is how to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. And these are some of the options you should be familiar with because you're basically going to be working with all of them as you're going to find out in the subsequent lessons. So if you have any question regarding how you can log into your WordPress admin dashboard, you can click the link below and ask in our private Facebook group. We're available there to answer any questions you may have. See you in the next class.